Welcome to International Trade Systems Custom Brokerage Module. This video will provide a quick overview of the ITS brokerage system. To log in, you enter a username and password. The username is tracked throughout the system, enabling the operator as well as management to know what work is done by the operator. ITS is laid out in a way to ensure all your information is just a click away. The top of the screen is a standard menu system. When you click the item, the menu will expand and show you all the applications that are available to you. Clicking on the program would then launch the application. We also have icons that represent each module. As you can see, when your cursor is placed over the icon, a tag will appear, letting you know what module the icon represents. Once a module is chosen, you will see tabs within the program for each application available for that module. This feature makes it easy to get to each application without having to search for it. On the left side of the screen is our Workflow Manager. The Workflow Manager keeps track of all the work done on a per-file basis. The Workflow Manager has the ability to enable the user to upload documents and share those documents with everyone in your company around the world. It automatically checks off the forms that have been completed, such as the 7501, 3461, and delivery order. It displays the ABI results, including the release date and payment date. At the bottom, it shows you whether an invoice was created, whether the cash has been received by the customer from the customer for the file, and whether a profit was made. Below the Workflow Manager is our Business Console. The Business Console is our active report engine that provides you key analytics and metrics to manage your business. The Business Console contains profitability information, as well as trends, budget information, revenue trends, and who your top 100 and bottom 100 customers are. The operational scorecard keeps track of the number of files by day, week, month, and year, by operator, errors from the files, who your top customers are by file, and what your most used tariff numbers are and routes. At the bottom of the left side, it says ITS Tracking. This is your web tracking engine. This program allows your customers to track their shipments over the web, and you get to see exactly what they are seeing when they're going through the tracking process. The first web page the user sees after logging in is the ACE dashboard. The ACE dashboard defaults to display only the open files that the user needs to be concerned with. However, in our demo, I'm going to show all open files from September until today. I'm also going to click off the open files only so we can see all of the files. The files are color-coded, displaying green for files that are good to go, yellow for files with warnings, and red for files that have errors and need to be corrected. The user can click on the file and then be able to see additional detail about that file. They can also double-click the file and it will take them into the base file application. The base file application is the first application used to fill out a 7501, 3461, and delivery order. Since this is a high-level demo, I won't be going into every feature into detail, but I would like to point out some cool features within every screen. Although all systems have lookup features, we believe ours is the best and the fastest. Mostly because all you need to do is type in the name and it will bring up a list of options for you. But if you keep printing the name or keep typing the name, the system will automatically bring that carrier code in for you. And not just carrier code. This works whether you're looking for port codes, whether you're looking for firms codes, whether you're looking for tariff numbers. You just type in what you're looking for, the name of it, and the system will generate a list for you. And if you continue to type in the name of what you're looking for, if it's the only thing left in the database, it will put the code in the field for you automatically. What we are also doing when we're going through the entry forms is we have an audit function, and it's real time. as you're filling out the form. If the data is not correct, or if you're missing information, the system will stop you on the fly as you're entering the data to let you know that, hey, you need to fill out that data, or hey, you put the wrong information in the system. And those warnings, again, they come up as you're entering the data, not after the fact. Another cool feature in the system, as you're going down the form generation, is we do have a calendar built into it. So you don't have to go look it up somewhere else. The calendar already exists. After the base file is complete, you can click on the 7501 tab. And we did add data, so again, it's telling us make sure you save the record. And the 7501 data is here on the screen for us. Again, the file carries over, everything's showing up. Also keep in mind on the left side of the screen, we're carrying the workflow manager with us, so we know we did a 7501 form prior, so we don't have to print it again. We know we did a delivery order. We did not do a 3461, but when we look down at the 3461 results, it shows that it's a paperless entry, so the user just didn't go into that screen. It also shows that the release date was on September 10th, and the payment date was on the 20th. We can also see that the invoice was created and paid for, and we made a profit. On the 7501 screen, you can see the duty percentages and the amounts on the right-hand side. To send to customs, you would simply click the send button. You can choose to send the cargo release with the 7501, and then all you have to do is wait for the results to come back. You don't have to go to any other screen. Results take, anywhere between 10 and 15 seconds to come back. You can certainly print the form. When you're printing the form, you can also email this form. You can fax this form. Or again, you can just save it within your file. Now we could go look at the 3461, and again, the data is automatically carried over. And we can go look at our delivery order. And within the delivery order, let's just go take a quick peek at it. And again, this can be emailed, it can be faxed, it can be printed. To finish the presentation, I'm just going to take us back to the ACE dashboard. Since this is the place that the operator is going to spend most of their time as far as being able to look at the results of their files and see how where they're at with a particular file. For a more thorough demo, please call or email us. We'd be happy to take you through it in great detail. We'd be happy to set up an account for you to test yourselves. But this is the ITS brokerage system.